Hey guys, welcome to Gilbert Gardens. We are a Canadian homesteading and how-to channel based out of Niagara Falls, and with all this quarantine stuff going on, we decided to go outside and do some cheap projects. So we've got lots of chainsaw fuel and bar oil in the tractor, so we're going to start working on the pond. So we may or may not have chopped down pretty much every tree out here. So if you're working on a project at your own place, maybe trying to work on a pond or something, this would be the little vlog for you. And yeah, we're just having some fun out here, trying to keep sane. Lucky for us, we got this 10-acre property. We got pretty much unlimited work out here, so yeah, there's no reason to be inside, especially on this nice weekend. So stay tuned and follow us as we start converting the pond into our dream pond. I don't know.
That's what I was gonna say.
I don't know. I didn't have anything lined up for that.
Our like
one.
pond oasis.
Oasis, yeah. Our beach.
Yeah.
Someday. Alright, cool. Well, I'm going in for some lunch. You kind of get the idea. We're just basically knocking down the bush and pumping out the water.
The end of day one for cleaning up the pond, and this is what it looks like. Tomorrow we are going to try and tackle getting rid of all the rest of the piles of brush that I had made, and hopefully.
Hey, we made it together.
Well, like, yeah, we had different jobs. Eddie's job was cutting it all down, and mine was breaking it into piles.
Yeah, no, it really was.
And tomorrow our goal is going to be to clean that all up and hopefully get rid of the big stumps behind me. So that's the goal for day 2.